Hi everyone, this is our next project. It's Alfasud 1.5 Ti Quadrifoglio Verde, or green clover leaf, the way you want to call it. Quadrifoglio, no, Qadrifoglio. Right, so this engine has been at the machine shop, which is engine service and components in Musselburgh here in Edinburgh. So as you see that line there, there's been put new liners in, there's been flattened the surface here, just skimmed the surface of each side of the block. Clever design they have done. So basically they left a step into the engine block here, so basically when the head will be torque on the top of the liners won't move, and that's really a clever idea, that. So that will be Congur spec, and yeah, just stay tuned and see all the development of it. Ciao ciao. Here we are back. So we give a good clean, remove all the rust off of the block. Now we're going to put some oil because I need to make some paint for it, and that's a flat 4 engine Alfasud. So that's the one. So I'm going to put some oil at the moment, as I said, prepare it for some paint. So the paint, the original color is a light grey, basically like a navy grey. So that's the original color of them, and we're going to put that color on it. And yeah, that's the way it looks like in these engine blocks. There's 3 main bearing for the crankshaft. Of course, that's a flat 4 engine, so the way it looks like inside. And yeah. Okay.